Is Shopify like Amazon? Shopify and Amazon both help people sell products online, but they work in very different ways. Shopify is a platform that lets you build your own branded online store, while Amazon is a marketplace where you list products alongside thousands of other sellers. Shopify gives you full ownership of your business, website, and customer relationships, unlike Amazon, which controls the buyer experience. With Shopify, you can customize your store's design, set up your own pricing, manage orders, and integrate marketing tools. It allows you to sell across multiple channels like social media, websites, and physical stores. Amazon, on the other hand, handles fulfillment and shipping for sellers who use its FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon program, but offers limited customization for branding and customer engagement. Many successful businesses use both: Amazon for reaching its massive audience, and Shopify for building brand authority and customer loyalty. Shopify is trusted by millions of entrepreneurs worldwide who want independence, flexibility, and powerful tools to grow their online presence. It's ideal for long-term brand building. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to professional store design, multi-channel selling tools, and advanced analytics to grow your online business with total control.